A transgender woman says she's been flooded with hate messages and death threats after a court battle with a spa in Lynnwood. The Korean spa has a biological woman policy. It's a place known for their saunas and baths where women publicly walk around naked. Haven Wilvich filed a complaint against Olympus Spa with the Washington Human Rights Commission, and the commission sided with her, finding that the policy was discriminatory.
And last week, a judge dismissed the spa's countersuit, but Wilvich, even with the legal wins, the damage, she says, has already been done. She sat down with Fox 13's Nia Wong, breaking down what exactly happened. Nia?
Haven Wilvich's complaint was filed back in 2020, and she thought it had been resolved, but it turns out it was only the beginning after her full name surfaced in court documents.
Through the ebbs and flows of life, Haven Wilvich says she can count on the love of her family and support from the community.
I'm glad that there are laws that protect people like me in the state and that judges are willing to uphold those.
Wilvich is talking about a district judge's recent motion to dismiss a lawsuit filed by Olympus Spa. She's not named as a defendant, but it mentions when Wilvich was invited to an event at Olympus Spa in 2020, one that she didn't even get to go to.
I called ahead to see if I would be allowed to attend as a trans woman. Unfortunately, I was told no.
Court documents say Olympus Spa's locations in Lynnwood and Tacoma are female only. Wilvich says Olympus Spa had an issue with her using the spa, as she had not had gender-affirming surgery at that time. But according to Washington state law, she had a right to be there.
It was illegal to exclude trans women from women's spaces. So I reached out to the Human Rights Commission and in hopes that they could help the spa change their policies and be more inclusive.
In 2021, the commission sided with Wilvich. Olympus Spa dropped the biological women phrase from its website, and staff underwent inclusivity training.
I was told that the case was over.
She says unbeknownst to her, the spa sued the Washington State Human Rights Commission in 2022, saying its First Amendment right was violated when it came to its religious and cultural beliefs.
It's still disappointing to see the amount of animosity that goes towards our community every time these laws are upheld.
When a district judge made a motion to dismiss the lawsuit last week, Haven says that's when she started getting bombarded with hateful messages, some even threatening her life from all over the world.
They're coming from people who claim to be feminists, groups known as TERFs, trans exclusionary radical feminists, and from the far right.
Wilvich doesn't regret filing the complaint. She does have a problem with how the court filing revealed who she was in the complaint she made to the Washington State Human Rights Commission.
I think that minority people who report hate crimes and violations of human rights laws should be protected from public disclosure.
She's hoping the agency's complaint process will be updated to protect others from the harassment she's had to endure. Despite this Pride Month starting off distressing, she is not defeated.
Nobody should be subjected to hate speech and threats of violence because of who they are in this country.
Haven and her wife Molly celebrate their trans joy.
The thing that they hate the most is when we're happy.
A judge may have made a motion to dismiss this lawsuit, but Olympus Spa has until July 5th to file an amended complaint and refile. We spoke with the lawyer who says she found problems with this motion and says this isn't over.
We will, go through briefing, go through oral arguments, most likely the motion will be granted. We will appeal that to the Ninth Circuit, and then we will likely ask for review from the Supreme Court, because these are important issues for the Washingtonians and the country at large.